cleaning outdoor surfaces, there are always those hard-to-reach places that make it really difficult. LBC Exterior Cleaning sorts out that problem with their flexible cherry picker. They can reach most of the high, difficult places other methods just can't reach. Cleaning buildings are awkward to get to windows, and if the building is very high, LBC Exterior Cleaning has teams of abseiling professionals that can help you out. If you need to clean anything from a house to a skyscraper, LBC Cleaning are the company to call. Cheaper than scaffolding, safer than ladders.